All right, what's up, guys? I am pulling into Six Flags over Texas. It is currently 7:10 p.m. The park closes in about 50 minutes. I just made the impulsive decision to come out here for a little under an hour just to see how much I can ride. So I'm not really sure what this video is going to become today, but let's have a fun 45 minutes here at the park. And here's a look at the current view of Tormenta. On Sunday, I did post a little construction update for you guys, but there are people actively up at the top. They just sent a basket up there. The 400-foot crane is up right now, so it's looking nice. Hopefully testing starts soon. All right, we have made it in with 45 minutes exactly until park close. We are gonna head over to the Texas section of the park first. Hopefully get on Texas Giant and Titan before heading over to Gotham. Wonder what they're doing up there. Not too bad, huh? It's pretty nice. Looks like Red Train is completely off the track now. Hopefully we'll see Red Train return here very soon. I can't tell if there's a chain in there. It kind of looks like there is. It looks like there might be. Must be electrical, probably. Working on the dive chain. Well, it looks like we're not riding Giant while we're over here. Just got stuck. Oh well, we'll head over to Gotham. One thing I noticed yesterday, but forgot to put in the video, they added a little geyser here and some foliage. It looks pretty nice. All right, taking a ride here on Batman. You ready for Batman?
We'll see. I'm not the biggest Batman fan personally.
Yep. It's 8 o'clock. I'm trying to get to Priest before they close it. Let's go. It's not closed. We did it. That was close. Just barely made it. Pre-show's finally turned back on after a couple weeks. Hopefully we get to see the full pre-show. I can't get enough of this pre-show. It is so good. I love this thing. Over Texas did such a great job with this. Here we go. And here we go. Good old snow. Target hit. So cool. If only the gun would shoot more often. So cool. And we are the last people in line. Last train of the night. We made it, just barely.
Nothing in your hand. Hold tight, have fun, and I'll see you in a bit. Enjoy your ride. 240 feet into the sky. Bye.
There we are. I'm glad that they fixed the LEDs when they did the refurb.
I love being here at night and seeing the light and the icy mist trees sign.
Yeah, I wish they had made it a little bit bigger, but yeah. I think it's nice. Nice dead park to end the night. Music is just off over here. All right, well, how many rides can you ride in the last 45 minutes that the park is open? The answer is 3, at least for us. We got on Titan, Mr. Freeze, and Batman. We barely got on Mr. Freeze too. They somehow did not close it right at or before 8, which is surprising. But how was your last ride on Freeze?
It was fun. One of the best rides I've had in there. Nice sunset.
Yeah, it was been running pretty good. I heard it was flying yesterday. Didn't get on it just because storms coming in, even though it did reopen like 10 minutes before the park closed, but I was already out. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. We'll have more content coming here from Tormenta once construction starts getting moving a little bit. But thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day. See ya.